Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the essentials are present: an updated browser with EME/DRM support and the correct Widevine or Play Ready module installed. Once done, sign into Netflix and clear site cookies so stale credentials don't block content. Next, temporarily disable extensions that alter media or privacy behavior because they can break license negotiation. Make sure hardware acceleration is set per provider guidance. This matters because some DRM paths require platform decoding to validate protected playback. Now you inspect the DRM handshake. Open developer tools, watch network requests for license server responses, and confirm 200 OK replies. If license requests fail, enable hardware-accelerated decode. This often lets the browser present the proper platform keys. Once enabled, update or reinstall the Widevine module and check browser flags that control EME. Incorrect flags can block CDM loading. You should also test in a new profile to rule out configuration drift, since a fresh profile isolates extensions and cached settings. To finish, restart the browser, and if needed, the OS so the CDM initializes cleanly, then test playback at multiple resolutions to confirm license-bound streams play. If you re-enable extensions, do so one at a time to catch regressors, because one extension can undo DRM behavior. If problems persist, collect developer tools logs and system DRM errors, and try a different supported browser or device to determine whether the issue is platform-specific. This log evidence guides the next targeted repair step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.